In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube logo using Leonardo AI. It's a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll have a unique design that represents your channel's identity. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Leonardo AI app. You can do this by entering Leonardo AI into your browser's address bar. This platform specializes in generating AI images, videos, and designs, offering a wide array of tools to spark your creativity. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in. To do this, click on the Sign In button. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one quickly. However, if you already have an account, you can proceed with logging in. The login page will present you with several options, and we'll take the simple route by clicking on the Google option. This is convenient if you prefer accessing sites with your Google account, saving you from remembering another password. Next, from the list of Google accounts, select the one you want to use. This confirms your credentials, linking Leonardo AI with your Google account, and sets the stage for seamless access to the platform's full suite of features. Once you're logged in, the real excitement begins. Navigate over to the Image section of the app. This is where we'll be focusing today, specifically using Leonardo AI's image generation capabilities to design our logo. Here, you'll want to click on the Model option. The platform offers various models, but for our needs today, look for the Legacy option. It might sound old-fashioned, but Legacy is a robust model perfect for graphic design tasks like creating logos. Now you're in the graphic design zone. At this point, Leonardo AI allows you to select different models depending on your specific project needs. For a YouTube logo, you'll want to ensure that your choice supports clear, visually engaging designs that work at various sizes. The most critical step is up next, typing in your prompt. Think carefully about your YouTube channel's theme and the message you want the logo to convey. You can also upload reference images that reflect the style or the color palette you're aiming for, which Leonardo AI can use to better match your vision. Finally, with your prompt set and any reference images uploaded, it's time to click Generate. Just like that, Leonardo AI goes to work, processing your input and crafting a distinctive image that serves as the perfect branding tool for your channel. And there you have it, a custom YouTube logo created with ease using Leonardo AI. This tool not only simplifies the design process, but also opens up a world of creativity, allowing you to focus on making your channel stand out.